Hello friends, in last video we added question with option, but we added text option here. But now in this video I am going to show you how we can add this option with images. So first of all, you can see this is our page. Now here I am going to create new folder. So right click, new directory, opt_images. Yeah, so now I have this folder. So when we are going to upload images, we are going to set inside this folder. And now you can see this same part we are going to create here. So first of all, we need to decrease the width of this part. So you can see here colLG8. So I am going to do colLG6. You can see this width is decreased. Now I am going to copy this same thing. You can see this colLG6 too, and this div I am going to copy and I am going to paste here. Now I am going to refresh here. You can see I got here same part, but here we are going to give heading in round bracket text and here images, so we can get idea. Yeah, so we got here heading. Now we need one form tag only, so we are going to keep this form tag here, but we are going to delete this slash form from here. Okay, if you have slash form tag here after the submit one in this first part, then delete that, and also delete this, and we need form tag here. So we have to check where we have to add this form tag. Okay, I am going to complete here. You can complete anywhere after this submit to. Here I am going to change the button name submit to. So we need only one form tag that we have to start before our first text box, and we have to complete our form tag after this all control. And here we need to add NC type multipart form data. Now here I am going to change something like add question. We need to change here name F question. Here we need to give input type file. Here FOPT1, and we need to delete this placeholder. Yeah, so now I am going to copy this and I am going to paste here. Here I am going to change name FOPT2. Here paste FOPT3. FOPT4, and for answer I am going to take name FOPT5. Or we can give name F answer, and here we are going to change submit to. Yeah, now I'm going to refresh here and you can see we got here file upload control. Now here you can see this border note looks good, means here we are getting space, but here we are not getting space, so we need to use space over there. Padding bottom 45 pixel, and now you can see now this looks good. So I am going to copy this style and going to paste here, paste. Yeah, so everywhere you can see now proper spaces. Now we can start coding for this button. So for that I am going to copy this submit one code and going to paste. Then we need to give here submit 2, Let me check again this button name. Yeah, button name is submit to, so this is perfect. Here also submit to, this is perfect. We need to keep this same because this is for our question number, so we don't need to change over there. Now we can start our coding from here because we need to upload our selected images inside this opt images folder. This is for make our image name unit, that's why I take this md5 function. Sorry, missed that time, and then here md5. Yeah, that's good. Now $fnm1 is equal to $_files fopt1, and here we need to give name. $dst1 is equal to /opt underscore images slash $fnm1 $dst underscore db1. Here we need to give the same thing, but we don't need to use / because this is for uploading image and this is for storing this path inside our table, that's why. Now move uploaded file $_files, here fopt1 tmp underscore name, and here $dst1. Yeah, this is done for one image. Now I am going to copy this, paste. Here I am going to change fnm2 fopt2 here to yeah 2. Now for third 3 3 3 3 3 3 and here 3 and 3. Now for fourth and now for fifth. But here we need to give f ans or answer. Let me check. Or last file upload control name, yeah, f answer. I'm going to copy this name, going to paste here and paste here. Everywhere else we need to give 5. Yeah, that's all. Now here we need to change minor thing, that is the here f question. Here we need to give $dst underscore db1. Copy this, paste 2, paste 3, paste 4, here paste 5, and this is remain same exam category. Yeah, so this is done. Now we are going to check. So when you are going to upload, you need to create some images. Dimension is 100 means height should be 100, width should be 100, so it looks good. That's why, because we need to display this image when we are going to display our question with option. That's why. What is perfect answer? I am going to, this is my question. Here you can see I created these 4 images, so I am going to select this one, here B, here C, here D, and for answer I am going to select A. Yeah, add question. Question added successfully, but here we need to check. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is also perfect. Answer is A. then DCBA. So this looks good. Oh, but we forget one thing, and that is here we need to add $tm dot. To mate name unit. Otherwise what happen when we are going to select same image in multiple question, then it will take same name, but we need different name. That's why now you can see I am going to upload this image in another question. So it will not overwrite this image. That's why I'm going to show you. Yeah, so first of all I'm going to show here. Yeah, here you can see this name is changed now. But we need to compare one more thing, and that is we set answer B. So for this, first is 3D and then last 6B. We need to check in B, 3D and 6B. So this is fine. Now we are going to check we have 8 images or not. Here you can see we have 8 images with unit name. That's why we need to use that $tm for mate name unit. So this way we can upload our option with images. In next video I'm going to show you how we can display that uploaded question here, question with option, and then we are going to edit that option, and then after we can start our user side part. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.